Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the theme of the season countdown. How to claim TOTS countdown pack day 3 in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can chance the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started. So there is a news update about this event, Premier League theme of the season, the TOTS. So you can get ready for TOTS with daily rewards from the login calendar, including coins, gems, a OVR Centurions player, and also Universal Rank player, and the last 91 OVR TOTS player item. So this is the day 3. You can go to the store button and then try to search in the top events this one, the TOTS countdown pack 3 day 3. One Centurions player contains an 88 plus between 88 and 95 OVR. Untradeable player, if you're lucky you can get one of this player. Let's tap free button, tap to open. Let's see who we got here. From Scotland, play for Fulham, central midfielder, we got Carney. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. Enjoy the game.